Hello YouTube, RJ. Today I'm going to do a quick little checkout of a inexpensive tool I bought off of Amazon that it's something I've been looking for a while. I have a few little things that are real aggravating that I needed a tool like this, but none of them seem to be what I needed. One of the big things is working on the airplane. I'm doing the conditional inspection, the annual inspection of my airplane. And removing the seats is real difficult. You get in there with a wrench, you have to get kind of contorted and get under there. You get the wrench on there, you can only turn it just a little bit. And you have to do this, and you know, very uncomfortable, takes forever, 4 bolts per seat to get them out for the inspection. And I kept thinking, what I need is a little 1/4 inch electric ratchet. That's what I need. But I could never find one. And there was the 3/8 ratchets, but they were always too big. They had a big battery pack that stood up, and I don't have enough height under there to do that. And I ran across this on Amazon, and it was like nowhere near the cost of the more expensive ones. I mean, it's not the quality of, you know, a DeWalt or something like that, Mac, you know, any of the, you know, higher end tools. It's called a Fullya, Fullya electric ratchet wrench set. Made in China, of course. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in checking it out. And this is what you get. Now, I had opened it and charged the batteries already. Comes with 2 batteries, but they're little batteries. They're not the big packs like on the other equipment. It comes with some inexpensive sockets that look fine, but you know, I don't need sockets. I've got my own sockets. Comes with a charger. And this is the ratchet, and I think this is going to work for me. It's quite a bit. I mean, it's not small. I don't want to make you think it's small, but it's a lot smaller than the other ones. The pack goes in here where it doesn't. It's not much bigger. It's not much higher. So the pack goes on there, and then you've got a variable speed trigger. You can pull down very slow and turn very slow, or really crank it up. You got a lock if you want to lock it. And I think I haven't done it yet. I'll be doing that in the next week or so. I think I can get this under the seats, get on the bolts, and spin the bolts out with this, and spin them back in. You know, start them with hand and spin them back in when the time comes. So I just played around with it a little bit. You know, it's a cheap tool. I think it was $39. It's a cheap made tool, but it seems to work pretty good. The reviews were really good on Amazon for it, so I got a lot of hope for it. Like I said, I played with it just a little bit, and so far can't complain. I don't think it's near as strong as the high end ones. You know, if you're trying to break stuff loose where you have to break it loose with this, you can't turn it yourself. You know, one of the higher end ones may be the answer for you, but it's got quite a bit of torque. I'm really hopeful this little tool will get the job done. It's got a little LED light right here that lights up your area where you're working to. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys my new toy. Thanks for tuning in. Real short video. That's all it was. Just not my normal videos. Just a little, hey, you know, here's what I ended up finding, and I'm hoping it's going to work out for me. And you know, the case is actually not for the price, for $39. The case, I mean, this has got to be a $12–15 case. So thanks for hanging out with me for just a minute and checking out my new 3/8 electric ratchet. Hope to see you in my next video.